Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Naz. Today, spicy peanut butter noodles. Let's cook. Okay, so we got our water boiling. Add some salt. We're gonna add our noodles. We're gonna cook our noodles to the package instructions, all right? Okay, so now we're gonna make our sauce now. Some garlic. Some ginger. I'm going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Okay, so we're going to turn our heat off, add our peanut butter. Of course, we had that melted in the microwave, makes it quicker. Mix this up. Okay, we're going to add some soy sauce. We don't have any rice vinegar, so we're going to add a little bit of white wine vinegar. Right there. So it's spicy, so of course you're going to add some red pepper flakes. Oh yeah. Goodness, that smell already is there. Yeah. A bit of sesame oil. So we're going to add some pasta water. Some World Famous Foods Hot Honey. Just mix this all up. Now we're going to add some chili garlic sauce. Mix this all up together. Okay, so our sauce is done. All right. Okay, so now it's time to mix our sauce with the noodles. You guys go and smell this. Again, my buddy Ron Daniels. Eat your heart out, buddy. This stuff is smelling so good. Got me hitting the camera. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna finish mixing this up and then I'm gonna plate this. All right, folks, here it is. A World Famous Foods version of spicy peanut butter noodles. Look at that. Okay, time to eat.